Hello, I am Cem Kaya.
And I am Baha Mert Ersoy.
We are the developers of Can Wait. It's on itch.io.
It was our second game, but it's the first time we've actually used Unity as our game engine.
It was also our first 2D game. Our first game is like entirely made in C++ and OpenGL. By the way, we are both developers. We don't have much experience in
Yeah, those were our
in
first
art.
game we made. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we don't know much about assets, how to create them, etc.
Yeah.
We have utilized text to image generation algorithms
AI,
like
Stable Diffusion, and DALL-E and Crayon
exactly, and we have
for the
animated them
assets.
ourselves with
Yes,
Clip
and we
Studio.
used Clip Studio to cut and change the parts of the images. Also, it was our first game it was our first networked game. So before actually speaking about our experience, I think we should first start to speak about our game.
Yeah,
It's a 2D roguelike. By the way, the game isn't entirely out, but it's out. There's a small demo. If there's enough interest, we will polish it in the future.
all the
All
main
the
features are implemented right now. Just
Yes,
there's only
the
one level.
features are there, but they are not explored in the desired depth. But the width is there in the future width.
Yep, exactly. Now we will play the game to show you what we have implemented. Oh.
Uh, as you know, our game supports local co-op. However, if you want to play with a friend which is very far away, you can use tunneling services such as Hamachi or other offerings. However, this demo will be single player.
Yes. So since
We
this...
will include some
Go ahead.
networked gameplay at the end.
Yeah. Since this is single player, I'm just picking my local network adapter.
It doesn't matter, if you are
Yeah,
going
yeah.
to play single player. This is
Yeah.
the lobby. This is where you should wait if you plan to play with friends.
Yeah, in the lobby we also put how to play. We show you how you can play the game, basically. You use...
This cute robot is our main character.
Exactly. Each player's robots will have different colors, so you'll be able to identify them.
Different shades of the same sprite.
Yeah.
Different hues.
Yeah, just different colors of the same thing. Yeah, as you can see, this is how you play the game. If you try to play it yourself, you will also see that. Now let's start the game. The first room, the start room that you start, will contain items that you can buy with money. You will be able to collect these coins from the rooms that you enter. When you press tab, you will see that there is a map. This is our mini map. Each play...
As you can see, there are two marked rooms. I think you should go to the left downmost room.
Yeah. That will most probably be the item room. You will see what it is when you go there. Yeah.
Probably. It might be the boss.
By the way, each run will have its unique map, just to make it clear. We use
it's all procedural generated. The map and the insides of the rooms are all procedural generated.
Now, as you can see, the yellow sprites are our coins, and the red ones are health. These are our enemies. Bullet spams.
There are currently two types of enemies. One is close combat, one is range combat type of enemy.
Yeah, currently there's a close combat one as well here. Yes. When we are in its range, it will start to follow us and try to attack us.
But if we are far away, it doesn't know we exist, and it randomly walks around.
Yes. When we clear all the enemies in the room, the doors open, and now we can traverse.
Yeah, there is no other way to exit a room without clearing it.
Two rooms until
all the insides of the room are procedure generated as well. So every room is unique. I mean, there are billions upon billions different possible configurations, but like, so most probably every room will be a unique layout. If there's enough interest, we plan to increase the variety of enemies, as well as adding items and
rework assets.
Adding some. Yes.
Yeah, adding new items as well. We will also we do plan on if we ever like if people are interested in.
By the way, I think you are going the wrong way for.
I'm just gonna buy something.
Okay.
Yeah, to show them.
Okay.
So as you can see, this is the shop, and now that we have 14 coins, for example, we can buy this item. This item will make us shoot faster. As you can see, right now we are shooting at this rate, and when I buy this, I shoot faster.
Yeah, I think you should have bought the jetpack, but.
Did I have enough? Oh man, true.
No, I mean you were 1 coin off, so.
Oh, you're right actually. By the way, jetpack makes us move faster. Yeah, that would have been.
Yes. That is a feedback we got a lot. I mean, like going back to the shop takes. Jetpack is free for in here. Okay. This is our item room. There are 2 free items.
And they are also random. Like which items? Like,
I mean, yes.
The items you get are random. So the one on the.
By the way, the item in the bottom was a health up. So the max health increased, but the health didn't increase.
Yes, as you can see now, I'm moving faster. By the way. Yeah.
Yes.
Now we'll go to the boss so that we can.
The player character starts with 60 max health and 40 like current health.
Yeah, now that our fire rate has increased, we are actually killing that faster.
This is one of those hard rooms.
Yeah.
I think you can. Okay.
These are we call these death chambers for obvious reasons, as you can see. Yeah.
By the way, like this is a procedural thing, like the hardness of this room. When we are generating rooms, there are a couple possible ways to generate them, and if there is only one type of enemy in that room, we call it a death chamber because the number of enemies is higher in those rooms.
Yeah.
And it can be very hard to survive in those kind of rooms.
For example, in this room we were lucky because, well, I mean, this is a death chamber as well, but at least we had health.
But yes, and the layout is like very forgiving.
Yeah. By the way, this goes without saying, but like the number of coins and health packs you get are also randomly, like random. They're not
procedural, not exactly random.
Oh yeah, true, procedural. Sorry.
I mean, it all depends on the seed.
Yeah.
But like rooms are not handcrafted. They are. We use wave function collapse to generate like the outline, and we do a bunch of stuff over it.
Also, as we mentioned in the beginning of the video, all these assets are made by us. As we mentioned,
I mean, yes, we used Stable Diffusion, DALI, and Crayon to generate these assets.
Yeah, and clips.
I think you missed a coin.
Oh, did I? Oh.
Yeah. But also, if you leave the room without taking the coin or health up, it disappears, so you lose it.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I wonder if I should.
I think you can. Yes, I think we should go back and buy like the last item.
Exactly. We will fast forward it for you guys here. So.
Yeah. I mean, probably not.
Okay. Alright. Where did I go? Okay, probably.
I think you should go down.
Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe down as well.
This was one of the feedback we got a lot. I mean, some friends of us recommend us to put some teleporters in some rooms, so they don't need to walk so much back. By the way, this item made bullets go faster. It made them bigger, and it increased the damage. Also, it increased the bounce count and bullet duration.
Now I'm going to the boss. Alright. Okay, now we'll enter the boss room, and as you can see, here is the cross. Okay. Now, as you can see, we can kill certain parts of the boss ourselves, and the boss
also
actually,
it can attack close combat and ranged attacks.
Yeah.
But now since he killed all the sub parts of the boss can't attack ranged. Oh, I mean, you killed it.
Yeah, now
I
the
mean,
boss is dead.
this was a nice run.
Yeah. Also, now this is the when you collide with this item, when you pick this item up, you don't pick this basically. When you touch it,
I mean,
the
it's
game
a
ends.
tomb, so the robot can go to sleep and can wait for its own time.
Exactly. When you enter the room, there's a 5-second invisibility frame where you can touch it, and after that, when you touch it, well, it ends.
Thank you for watching.
Yep. Have a pleasant day.
Please don't forget to download our game and play it.
And please give us feedback. We would
Yes,
really appreciate it.
if there's enough interest, we plan to expand this game.
Yeah, definitely. Well, bye-bye.
Bye. And here's some network co-op gameplay. We used Hamachi since we were not on the same local area network.